Hey guys, welcome back to Python tutorial for beginners, and today we are going to learn about types of variables in Python. So guys, in this video we will learn about local and global variables in Python. So without wasting our time, let's move to the first one, which is local variable. So what is a local variable? A variable which is defined either inside a function or inside a block is called local variable. Another thing is that local variables can be used and accessed only inside the function or the block where they are defined. That means they are not accessible or recognized outside of that function or block. Okay, so these are the main things that you have to remember about local variables. Now we will see how do we create a local variable in Python and how do we work with them in Python. So guys, let us take an example. Just write a program. Say, let's define a function. Okay, so in order to define a function, we have to use def keyword. So def myfun, where myfun is my function name. Okay, so this is how function is defined. Now inside the function, I have taken a variable name and say its value is Ashley Verma. Okay, now I'm gonna print the value of name. So I will write hi, then comma, which will give us space of course, and then the value of name. So it is gonna give the output as hi Ashley Verma. Okay. So guys, now my function part is completed. So I will get out of the function and then make a call to the function myfun in order to get it executed. So you always have to make a call to a function if you want it to be executed. Okay, so now I will run this program and look at the output. Yes, you can see the output, hi Ashley Verma. Okay, so guys, now get back to the file, and I'd like to tell you that here name is my local variable. As you can see, it is defined inside the function myfun, so it is a local variable, and it is accessible only inside the function myfun. Suppose if we try to access this variable outside of the function, suppose I want to print name, value of name outside the function. So now let's see what happens when we run this program. So it is gonna give error. Yes, you can see we got the error. And what is the error? If you see the last line, it is name error. Name is not defined. That means it is saying that no variable of name is defined. It means that name is not recognized outside of the function myfun. And why so? Because it is a local variable. Okay, so this was the concept of local variable. Now what is global variable? So guys, any variable that is defined inside a program but outside of any function or block is called a global variable. And global variables can be used anywhere in the program, whether outside of a function or inside of a function, outside of a block or inside of a block. Okay, so now we will see how do we create a global variable in Python and how can we work with them in Python. So guys, for this I'm taking another example. Now say a variable like stu underscore name and its value is Kiran Kumari. Okay. Similarly, another variable is marks and give any number as its value. Okay, now we will define a function, say def result, where the function name is result, and now inside the function I'm gonna print the value of stu name and marks. So I'll write like this, say name and then comma and then the variable stu underscore name. Okay. Similarly, for marks, say marks as a string and then colon and then after comma marks. So it will print in the format. Okay. So now I will make a call to this function so that the body of function will be executed. And now here I will tell you that my global variables are stu underscore name and marks. Why it is a global variable? Means why are they a global variable? Because they both are defined outside of the function or any block. Okay, so they both are global variables, and as you can see, we are very easily accessing global variables inside the function result. So these are the advantage of global variables, that you can access them anywhere in the program. So now I will print both these variable outside of the function also. Okay, so you can see I am printing stu underscore name and same marks. So these both variables are easily accessible whether inside the function or outside of the function. So when I run this program, you can look at the output. First two ones are the format which I wrote inside my function, and rest two are outside of the function. So guys, this is how